Edo 2020. Presido Buhari abeg investigate Edo APC campaign organization fund. Na Edo PDP na talk this one. People's Democratic Party (PDP) campaign train don call on Presido Muhammadu Buhari to quick begin chook eye put inside the plenty money wey APC campaign organization dey spend unto the governorship election wey wan shele for the state. PDP candidates for the election wey go soon shele, Governor Godwin Obaseki plus him deputy Philip Shaibu and PDP campaign council chairman Dan Obi na talk this one when dem dey address their plenty supporters for campaign wey shele for Ikpeshi wey dey Akoko Edo local government area for Edo state.
We move towards the election of September 19th. I made bold to tell you that the only person in this election that has the experience of a sitting performing governor is Godwin Obaseki. And I want to say, with Governor Godwin Obaseki, we must put back our ugly past. A past where touts and admirals tormented innocent market women and travelers in Edo State. A past where inflated unexecuted contracts awarded to girlfriends without going through the due process must belong to the past.
And they do take this occasion, take tell our president. He say he dey fight corruption, and I believe him. Making us Adams Oshomole, my papa, where he get 40 million, where he give Honorable Agbaje, where he get 40 million, where he give Honorable Yekini, where he get all those 5 million when they give councillors. Honorable Yekini, Honorable Agbaje, we hold meeting. He come say, make I tell our governor, make him give am $10,000. I mean $100,000. Now I tell am say, me I did that house before. I spent 8 years. After 8 years, I come go House of Rep. That kind of money, I no say, no be that kind of money they send me to go do for House of Assembly. I come and say, no be like that. Our governor, this our governor, why income na to repair ground, no be to share money.
As Obaseki dey talk about the kind way APC take dey spend money for the state, im come call on all Edo people say make them no fear, especially as e be say some members for Edo State House of Assembly don begin dey decamp. As im talk say their decamping no go affect the party, even though say election go soon waka come.
I do so because I love Akoko Edo. Akoko Edo people are good people. So the fact, say 2 of them disappoint us, they will collect money and put their own personal interest above Akoko Edo interest. No mean say he changed my view about Akoko Edo.
We can see governor tell the party faithfuls for the different wards where the Akoko Edo local government area say him administration don create better environments for lawmakers to make laws wey go better the lives of people wey them they represent. Obaseki still talk say im Mogan Bilo Ikirun roads na projects wey them don already award, and him go award more roads wey dey for the council for construction so that the go quick enter the area.
In the grace of God, when we vote again and I come back, what I don't do for Akoko Edo before, I will continue.
He say September 19 governorship election day between good and bad, and say him administration go focus on top how them go take make the life of Edo people better.
This election is simple. Not the simple agenda. The issues are very clear. It is between good and bad. Between evil and good. Now the me talk am. From what I don't hear, they say this one good, this one not good. Why after some time you say okay, we will now replace good with bad? That now na hand day.
This one are the ogbonge information we don't carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo PDP don't begin back Presido Buhari to chook eye put on top Edo APC campaign organization fund. Make una sabi say na TMC TV 9 carry this ogbonge information come give una. and my name na Edowogo Edoleyi.
Of the government.